Hello everybody. This is Pooja Changde from DAV Moil Public School, Tumsar. Welcome you all in the online capacity building program for teachers conducted by DAV Institution, Western Region, Maharashtra and Gujarat Zone 1. Our today's topic is Google Meet. Google Meet is one of the booming application for video conferencing. So, let us start with Google Meet. First of all, to install the Google Meet in our mobile or laptop, go to the Play Store and type Google Meet. Once you click on Google Meet, this application will appear and you have to install it. As such, I have already installed it. I click on Open and the same process is to be carried out for the recipient, means those with whom you are going to conduct the meeting. Click on Open. Here you will be able to see the interface of Google Meet. As we can see in Google Meet interface, we have two buttons, one for microphone. We can put the microphone in mute mode as well as video mode, with the help of which we can switch it on and off. If we want to start the meeting, click on New Meeting option. Once we click on the New Meeting option, it will give us the video conferencing code, which is as shown here, PZZEJXM. We have to share this link with the participants. Either we can share it with the help of WhatsApp or with the help of copy and paste the clip, and we can mail it. I will send the request by WhatsApp. As you can see, I am using another mobile set to show you the video conferencing. I have installed the Google Meet and open. As soon as we will open, click on continue, allow for recording the video and sharing the picture, allow for recording the audio, and the same screen will be displayed on the another mobile. As you can see, the same screen is displayed on another mobile, means that now we are joined and I have sent the meeting request. Once I click on this link, it will search for the application. Click on more option. Automatically the Meet option will appear. Once we click on the Meet option, it will show us the interface. Click on Ask to Join option. Once it will send the request. In Google Meet, the teacher will receive the message like somebody want to join this meeting. We have to click on Admit button to accept their interest. I have accepted the participant and now we can start the meeting. I want to start presentation. So there are some options which will help us to start the presentation. In the right side corner, we have 3 points. Click on that right side corner menu, and the third option is for presenting the screen, with the help of which we will be able to share our mobile screen. First option is for switch on the camera. If we want to switch the front camera, we can switch it, and even we can switch to the back cam. Second option is a turn off caption and turn on caption, which helps us to create our voice into the text. It converts our voice into text. Whatever we speak is converted into the text. Now the next option is present screen option, which helps us to share the screen with the participants. We just have to click on start now, and we will be able to. In this way, we can show our presentation in the meeting, as well as we can show the videos if they are stored in our device. In this way, we can share our screen with the participants of the meeting. In the next session, we will learn how to share our files before conducting the meeting. Thank you and have a nice day.